Turtle wax snow foam, a lusciously thick traffic film removing foam that will cling to vehicles' exterior paintwork and actively release dirt contact prior to normal shampooing. Step 1. Rinse a vehicle thoroughly with a pressure washer. Step 2. Fill the lance with turtle wax snow foam formula. Approximately 400 to 500 ml should be enough for an average sized vehicle. There is no need to dilute the formula. Step 3. Adjust the settings on the lance to increase or decrease the amount of foam that is applied. Spray turtle wax snow foam over the vehicle, beginning at the bottom and working upwards whilst walking the length of the vehicle. Build up a thick layer of foam which covers all exterior surfaces, including glass and wheels. Step 4. Leave the foam to dwell on the vehicle for at least 5 to 10 minutes. After several minutes, the foam will begin to dissolve and loosen dirt and grime contaminants from the exterior of the car. Step 5. Rinse the vehicle with a pressure washer, working from the bottom up whilst walking along the length of the vehicle. Dry the vehicle as normal with a microfiber drying towel.